This is just awful. Students at Miami Palmetto Senior High School are horrified. They witnessed a classmate try to take her own life at school. This sad story once again calls attention to the need for more awareness about students' mental health.
Taking care of our mental health is more important than ever in today's society. At the Miami Marlins Foundation, we understand how important mental wellness is to our student athletes and our community at large. The Great Minds, Great Athletes program was created to promote a culture where coaches, athletes, parents, and school leadership come together to provide athletes a safe space to promote mental well-being and become better athletes, better people through sports. It is designed to better our schools and our community by putting a purposeful focus on critical areas of development that enhances the sports experience and, most importantly, our students for life.
Athletic fields, courts, pools, these are classrooms for the kids, and so to give them skills that will allow them to take advantage of that time on the court to learn how to be a better athlete, how to compete at a higher level, and also then in life. Life is competitive. They're going to go for college applications, they're going to go for jobs, they're going to go for promotions. They're going to struggle along the way. Learning to struggle in sports and in life is really important, so let's use that classroom that is their field.
Great Minds, Great Athletes is a program that introduces 4 aspects to the overall mindset of the student athlete. Between coaches, I think with your school administration, working with athletic directors and working with the program here, it's going to help student athletes and student body understand the obstacles that they face.
Mental health is huge. For me, as an ex-player, it's something that I struggled with and ultimately ended my career. So these opportunities, these programs and these initiatives are huge for young kids, and I wish I would have had it myself.
I think it's a program that now more than ever is critical. It's not just student athletes, but coaches, ADs, parents to be a part of, because the spotlight is on athletes more so than ever with social media and those types of pressures, and learning how to handle that mentally. It's not only going to help them in their sport, in their athletics, but also in life.
I've been involved with high school athletics for 38 years, and so many times athletes have so many obstacles that are in front of them, and we as coaches, we as athletic directors and school administrators don't know how to help them cope with these many obstacles. This program gives those skills necessary that these kids need today for a better result, both on the field and off the field.
We know mental health has always been very prevalent. Students for years have needed additional support in their lives, and then even with the COVID came along, and it really heightened the need for additional support. And on top of that, when we look at student athletes, we always say how much they are faced with, not only in the classroom, but on the field as well. They have so many different challenges in their lives, and sports can bring so much good, but at the same time, it can bring some challenges that can increase their anxiety. So programs such as Great Minds, Great Athletes gives us the opportunity to provide them additional support as they move forward in life.
In its first year for the 2020-2021 school year, we started with 18 schools, 9 high schools, and 9 middle schools. In the 2021-2022 school year, we expanded to 9 new high schools while maintaining the relationship to continue to grow the program at the previous schools. For this school year, the program is expanding to 9 new high schools and 9 new middle schools, bringing the total number to 45 schools. Great Minds, Great Athletes program has impacted a total of 9,162 people. 84% of leaders say their organization's environment is more positive. 92% of coaches believe PCA tools help make them better coaches. 84% of coaches report they are better able to help athletes develop a growth mindset.
I think a student athlete can benefit in this program for so many different ways. We talk so much about the mental aspect of the game and how much that's going to help you succeed in the game, but it's also going to help you succeed in life. I think the athletes will be able to learn that the sport, it's what they do, it's not who they are.
Being anything in life, your mental health has to be number one, because if you're not okay up there, you can't function outside. So I think this is very beneficial.
I wish I kind of had this tool when I was in high school. It really shows how far we've come along in this aspect of life. I'm blessed to be a part of it.
When we get people from other places and adults that are coming in and talking about what they have been through, it makes a big difference to what they know they can now do.
The Positive Coaching Alliance partnerships really come with a lot, including tools and resources for coaches, for parents, for athletes. And one of the things at the forefront of what we talk about are easy to remember acronyms, easy to use tools. And so when you have an opportunity to see that these tools and resources and these acronyms are being spoken and used, you know that the competitive lesson and the competitive level is on the rise. We can't wait to work with schools that are returning to us this year and start laying foundation for the first year schools as well.
Everything is the team effort, right? So in the world of sports, here we are with the team effort. So when we look at the Great Minds, Great Athletes program, we're very grateful to have the support of Miami Marlins and Positive Coaching Alliance. The Miami Marlins in particular, really understanding, because here we are with professional athletes in Miami Marlins, and then in our school district, we're looking at student athletes. But really understanding the importance of that need at an early age to fuel students emotional tanks to help them be a better person, again, not only on the field or on the court, but better in the classroom and better in the future. So we're grateful to have that support of the Marlins.